When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 1st of September. This is the first day of meteorological fall, and it feels pretty good. The weekend looks fine. Of course, eyes are now on Hurricane Irma in the Atlantic. What about that? Cold front coming in next week. Still much to talk about, even though Harvey's gone. Let's check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. The remnant circulation of Harvey is north of the state. Still some backwash clouds, mainly over the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. And underneath those clouds, a few showers. That was the radar at 242. Showers as far south as Blount and Marshall counties. The bulk of them are in Madison and Jackson counties. And that will be ending fairly soon this evening. Weather looks fine for the high school football games tonight. There's the watch warning map. We still have a wind advisory for about the northern half of the state. The winds will calm down tonight. We note a tornado watch for parts of North Carolina. There is an enhanced risk of severe weather in that zone for the rest of today and tonight, but no severe weather problems here as we get into dry air. Tomorrow, a marginal risk on parts of the Atlantic coast, dry air for us, and on day 3, which is Sunday, dry air for the northern half of Alabama. No severe weather expected on an organized basis around the nation. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. About 1/2 inch. We'll see more rain Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with an approaching cold front. And let's talk about the tropics. Irma, Category 2 hurricane out in the Atlantic. A trailing wave that's off the coast of Africa. There's the 5-day outlook. That wave should become Jose at some point down the line. It looks like a fairly low latitude system. We'll have to watch that one. Here's the latest official forecast track on Hurricane Irma. Again, it's down to 110 miles per hour. Had a little bump today, but it's expected to ramp back up to a major hurricane for the rest of the journey. And by the middle of next week, it should be just east of the Leeward Islands. And from there, it's anybody's guess. All these crazy speculations here, nobody knows. We'll look at the modeling here. This is the ensemble guidance from the GFS, 21 members. And you got a couple of members that bring it into South Florida. Most of them turn it northward. And from there, it could affect the east coast of the United States or recurve. Here's the European ensemble, 51 members. It's a little lower latitude. And again, we stress, nobody knows the ultimate destination. Nobody. So we'll take a look at the deterministic runs here. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. Big 594 heat bubble out west. We're thankful we're not involved in that. Troughing over the east and a beautiful day. We start the day in the low to mid-60s, the high in the middle 80s. The humidity will be low, most of the state dry. Sunday, beautiful day, sunny, mid-80s. Monday, sunny, upper 80s. Labor Day weekend looks good. Now, Tuesday, moisture comes back. We'll bring in the chance of a few scattered showers, and Wednesday looks pretty wet and pretty cool. The high only maybe low to mid-70s with clouds and rain much of the day. Again, maybe about a 1/2 inch. Obviously, no severe weather with that. And then Thursday, what a refreshing air mass. We'll drop down in the 50s Thursday morning, the high maybe in the upper 70s. And a week from today, Friday, the 8th of September, troughing over the northeast. A very pleasant air mass here. And yeah, we see Irma on the GFS. Let's just crank it out. 10 days. This is 9/11, Monday, September 11th. The GFS has Irma as a powerful hurricane off the coast of the Carolinas. We'll check the European, same time. This is Monday, September 11th. It's closer in. It's east of Daytona Beach. And obviously our friends on the East Coast will have to watch this very carefully. I'd say the odds are higher. This will be an East Coast or Florida problem or a recurver. But again, you can't even take the Gulf of Mexico solution off the table yet. Anything goes. It's just too early. We'll watch for trends. Numbers, look at those numbers come down next week. Highs dropping in the mid-70s by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I see a lot of 50s on there, and that's going to feel awfully nice for the latter half of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning here by 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the videos tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.